Hello, my name is Chris. I'm one of the technicians here at Genesis of Schaumburg. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to do some balancing of your tires. This is the balancer here, the tire balancer. Why it's important to balance your tires is making sure that you have all of the proper wheel weights on the inside here. This wheel has already been completed. You notice the old wheel weights have been removed and those new wheel weights have been installed to ensure no vibrations while you're driving, no pulling to the left or the right. We'll go ahead and do a demonstration for you here. First order of business, identifying where those old wheel weights are and getting them removed. Take a screwdriver to get underneath the weight, just to pry it loose, and then you take the plastic removal tool to ensure you don't scratch the wheels. Once those have been removed, roll the wheel over to the balancer. Slide that on the cup. You put this piece on to lock it in and ensure it's nice and tight. That way you get accurate measurements. Once that's all snugged up, go into the top left corner on the balancer to select what the vehicle would be, a Genesis GV70. And then you go ahead and lower the hood and it'll spin. It auto identifies the rim size and diameter. This one is going to be just like the last one. Wants 0.75 ounces. Go ahead and take from your strip of weights. These are all 1/4 ounce. So you go ahead and count out 3/4. You line that up where it corresponds on the machine. Clean off any dirt or debris. Make sure they stick on properly. You go ahead and do one more spin to verify that now the wheel does have the proper amount of weight. And the machine will tell you, okay, you're clear to remove the wheel and proceed to the next one. That's how you balance your tires. Thanks for watching Tech Explains. My name is Chris with Genesis of Schaumburg, and I will see you next time.